Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, in this session, I will discuss with you, rather share with you, the type of assessment which I am going to take about the mock 2 paper 1, which we have solved in detail. I have discussed each and every question in detail with you, what has been asked in the question, what would be the possible answer to this question, and obviously, at the end of the discussion, we have also seen the answer of that question from the marking scheme as well. So, boys, this assessment which I have planned for this mock 2 paper 1 would be a quiz, and it would not be a traditional type of quiz. I will not give you any question from any past paper or any of your course book exercise, but I will give you the 10 MCQ type questions, and all the questions are from the various concepts which are discussed during telling you the solution of this mock 2 paper 1. See, boys, I have clearly told you that which question is taken from which topic of the CAIE syllabi, and where we have discussed it, where we have studied it during our coursework study, and where you can find it from your course book. So boys, if you have listened carefully to my video lessons on this mock 2 paper 1, and you have the concept which we have studied throughout the year while doing the coursework for this paper, you can easily recall those concepts and you can easily attempt this quiz. But boys, keep in your mind, if you don't go through your past studies, if you don't revise your concept, if you don't recall your concept, and if you don't have gone through the previous lessons which I have shared with you, it would be difficult for you to answer some or maybe a large number of questions which has been asked from the in this quiz. So all the concepts I have asked from you in this quiz are taken from the major areas from where the questions are taken in this mock 2 paper 1, and I am just testing your concept that you know the important concepts behind the topics or not. Dear students, you may have any confusions or questions or queries regarding the previous sessions. If you have any query, you can post it on my WhatsApp group listed below. You already know that I have specially created this WhatsApp group for answering your queries regarding our subject and regarding all the video lessons which I am uploading, which I am preparing for you. Thank you very much, boys. Allah.